Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing 5 books that I have ordered from Flipkart out of the 19. So 14 are yet to arrive. Till 2 October they will finally come at our home. So I'm having 5 books with me right now. They all are fantasy books, and I guess one of them is not fantasy, it's emotional book. So I'm going to be unboxing them and showing to you and maybe the price of how much I bought, and I'll actually mention the link to them. So yeah, so first I have to show you a book which I had already bought, and it's like I just bought it a few weeks ago, and I have read few of the chapters right now, and I find it pretty awesome. It was incredible. It was probably my first fantasy book, and yeah, it is the When the Moon Hatched by Sarah Parker. As you can see, I bought it for around 340, I believe, and it's a paperback, so it's a beautiful written book, and I really like this map given here, and a quote was given, so it is one of my favorites which I'm having from here. So here's the quote, you can see. Yeah, so let's keep it aside and start reviewing and unboxing audiobooks. So first, I think I am going to begin with this book over here. As you can see, let's open it and I'll show you. So here we are opening our book. Okay, so I'm not sure which book it is yet, but let's check it out. I'll tell you which books I have purchased in the upcoming timeline. So yeah, so it is, I guess it's okay. It's from the Blood and Ash series, War of Two Queens. It's a paperback. Note that. So let's unwrap it first. I am going to be very careful because of course, yeah. So I have almost bought whole series of this Blood and Ash. So yeah. So here we are with the War of Two Queens. It's from the Blood and Ash series, written by Jennifer L. Armentrout. As you can see, the book is in okay-ish condition, I would say, besides some of this and damages, but it's good. We have to read it after all, so yeah. So without spoilers, I just want to take a peek at this book. So the first book of this series is called the... Okay, I'm not gonna spoil it. So the first series of the book is known as the From Blood and Ash. So yeah, I'm gonna probably receive it in a few days. So yeah, I took a little sneak peek, not at the chapters. I am not going to spoil it, obviously. So the book cover is pretty beautiful and it's stunning, and I've read the description from back. It's quite interesting, but first book will do the work. Now I am probably going to choose this one over here. So yeah, let's open it quite quick because I don't want this video to be too long for you guys to be, because I've got yet to open 14 more books, and I am going to share that video with you all in quite a while. So probably after 6th October you will be seeing this video. Okay, so next book we are having Fearless. So here we have it, Fearless, and same here, the condition of book is a little bendy, but fine, it's fine. The cover is quite pretty. And before that, this book, we are having one more book known as your Powerless and Powerful and Reckless. So yeah, we are going to read it. I have read many positive reviews about this book too, and I am quite excited for it. We got a map here, and yeah, I'm also having one of the hardcovers right now. I guess from out of this one, I guess it's this one, I believe. But yeah, we'll get to know it later. So next book that we are going to open, I guess, is the middle one. So it feels quite light. Alright, so let's open it. I don't got a knife right now, so I'm going to have to do it a bit roughly. Okay, I think I just got a sneak peek which book is this one, and it's one and only Girl in Pieces. Alright, now let me first just peel out this thing. Yeah, this book looks in a very good condition to me, at least for now. Baki will have to see once we open it. So here we have Girl in Pieces by Kathleen Glasgow. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but Kathleen Glasgow. And you can see, I know that it's quite an emotional book. That's what I heard. And after hearing the reviews, I find it interesting somewhere. And I really want to try this book. Seriously. Like, of course, yeah. So the book is in pretty good condition, I would say. And yeah, we got this one too. I'll tell you the prices in the end. So yeah, I'm creating a huge mess over there, if you could see, but chalo, it's fine. I got my little pal with me here, so yeah, he's a bit noisy, but it's alright. Okay, now we'll open this one. I'm not sure which one it is. Again, I guess it's the hardcover. So yeah, let me open it. Okay. Let's not talk about that, but chalo, it's fine. It's a paperback, I don't know why, but the book is in a very good condition, to be honest. And actually I bought this one because the paperback one said it was somewhat expensive than the hardcover, so I bought the hardcover one, and looks like it's paperback, so no matter, no worries, it's fine actually, you know, because obviously we just paid the same amount almost. So yeah, so again, the book cover is absolutely beautiful. Here you can see a Blood and Ash novel. You can see the back of the book, and yeah, it's the series same as this one. So yeah, let's keep it aside and open this next book. Now for the final book, I have literally again no clue which book it is, but yeah, we are going to have to check it out first. And yeah, so I just can, okay, I guess it's, which one is this? Is this it? No, it's the, I believe it's either of the Six of Crows and or the Crooked Kingdom. So yeah, it's also a quite popular duology, and yeah, it is Crooked Kingdom. And actually this book, okay, the condition is absolutely okay, I would say, because yeah, let's open it. Now here we have the Crooked Kingdom, and yeah, it's a Netflix series. Okay, I think this, no, I don't think so. This sticker can be removed, but chalo, it's fine. The condition of book, as you can see from the edges, but it's fine, you know. We are just going to have to read it. Okay, so this book will, I guess, receive it maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Yeah, I think so. I'm just gonna have to make sure when it is actually arriving. Some of the books are arriving tomorrow too. So yeah, here we have today's opening, or you can say unboxing. And yeah, let me just revise you which books we got. Here we have Proved Kingdom, then we have Girl in Pieces. Next we are having Fearless. I have actually ordered Reckless, Powerful and Powerless, so yeah. And then we got The War of Two Queens and Kingdom of Flesh and Fire. And yeah, we can count it in new book, right? And let me tell you, I have bought around 19 books, and if you count it as well, then it's probably 20. And I'm trying to expand it, and you know, I have a good passion, or you can say a hobby of writing. So yeah, and I am quite happy. Excuse me, Bozo. He's just trying to, you know, pick up all the garbage, and he's probably going to tear it soon. So these books I have total costed around you know, these total books have costed around like 19 books, almost a little over 3,000 rupees, Indian rupees. But yeah, so I've bought around 9 to 8 books from Meesho too. So I'm gonna have to check those two, because who knows how that those books would arrive. So yeah, I am quite happy with today's haul, and I'm looking to continue it again in future. So I'll meet you tomorrow and record tomorrow's video too, and then day after tomorrow, whenever the books will arrive, I'm going to record spontaneous. So yeah, meet you tomorrow with the new books, new unboxing. So yeah.